Hello, my name is Alina Shevtsova. I'm a student in class 10B at Chernihiv Lyceum number 1. I would like to discuss a topical issue in science, the extinction. Today we will define what it is, what scientists have done for their research, what pros and cons are, and we will also look at issues that may arise around the de-extinction in future. In 2024, the entire scientific world was shaken by incredible news. Specialists from colossal biosciences managed to revive several specimens of a dire wolf, a species that became extinct more than 10,000 years ago through genetical engineering. When I heard this news, I turned to online sources to find out the following. Indeed, scientists are on the path to restore long extinct creatures, but it's too early to talk about its miraculous resurrection. By extracting DNA from a bone cell, biologists attached to clone a dire wolf, but according to them, the DNA is too damaged for full cloning. In addition, 20 changed in 14 genes are too few to recreate a species with about 19,000 genes. So scientists managed to make several changes in a genotype of a common gray wolf and obtain puppies similar to the long extinct creatures from genetically modified egg cells. A deep study of this information led me for further reflection. For what purpose a group of scientists working hard to restore a huge predator that kept all the fauna of North America in fear? If the main goal is to restore a long extinct species for further reintroduction of them into nature, this raises a certain doubt. After all, species do not disappear from the face of the earth for no reason, but as a result of targeted evolutionary process. A dire wolf, large predator, obviously could not find enough food for itself or withstand competition with more adapted and ecologically flexible species. Climate change may also have played a role. So, what might the appearance of long extinct creatures in modern fauna lead to? It would be untrue to say that the consequences are unpredictable. In fact, it's not difficult to foresee them. A struggle for existence will begin between modern creatures and restored one until the best resilient will reach the top of the ecological mountain. In any case, there will be global and irreversible changes in ecosystem, a decline in number, or even the existence of other species. So, does the humanity have a moral right to decide a destiny of existing and extinct species? After cloning extinct animals, scientists naturally took responsibility for their lives. At this stage, their duty is to provide all necessary conditions for animals to live comfortably and to observe them. Also, while they have only 3 wolves, it may seem like an easy task, but if this project goes global and individuals will spread across the earth, it will be much more difficult. Scientists will not be able to physically guarantee a safe living environment, not only for reintroduced ones, but also for those currently living on Earth. From a moral standpoint, cloning a dire wolf is highly controversial. Many people believe that it's against religion norms, while others think that we should not meddle with nature that once allowed the species to become extinct. Thank you for your attention.